Hello everyone, I'm Shirley from Haishu Machinery. Let me introduce the CK6140T to you. CK6140T can equipped with ZSK system, KND system, Siemens system, Fanuc system. The system can swing, humanized design, equipped with hand wheel control, and the guard wheel is a double triangle guard wheel. The width of the guard wheel reach 335 millimeter. The turning diameter is 420 millimeter, and the spindle also high-speed variant. The speed can reach 2,500 revolutions per minute, and the spindle bar can reach 70 millimeter, which is also a special design. The overall foot is very strong, and the overall processing is also very rapid, and the price is very low.